Right here, right now, on your favorite channel.
Hey everybody, how you doing? Dirt Street Stock at Bristol Motor Speedway. I'll be in the Iowa State University Cyclones, University of Iowa Hawkeyes, UNI Panthers, Drake Bulldogs, car number 11 today.
Right here, right now, on your favorite channel.
Hey everybody, how you doing? Advanced Mazda MX-5 Cup at Road, Atlanta. I'll be in the Iowa State University of Iowa Zippo number 14 car today. I'm starting 16th in a field of 17. Race length is...
Right here, right now, on your favorite channel.
Hey everybody, how you doing? NASCAR Camping World Gander Truck Series Open at Watkins Glen. I'll be in the studio DaVeed, Burst of Thunder, Casey's General Store, Federal Premium Ford F-150 number 27 truck today. I'm starting 5th in the field.
Right here, right now, on your favorite channel.
NASCAR Cup Next Gen Series fixed at Indianapolis Motor Speedway. I'll be in the YouTube Studio DaVeed, DoorDash, UPS, Casey's General Store, Twisted Tea, AC/DC, Ford Mustang number 6 car today. I'm starting 9th in a field of 30.